You don't have to stay too much to leave without a warning. If you want to, don't be scared you'll hurt my feelings. Feel that I'm not sleeping. If you want to. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Fall in Love Again by Rag & Bone Man. So we're gonna play this in standard chords. We're not using the capo because it's actually composed in C major. Okay, so the chords that we're gonna be using for this tutorial are, the first one is a C, which is 0, 3, 2, open. Sorry, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Okay, so that's your first chord. We don't have to go too far. So that's down, 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 and then you switch. Okay, and if you want to speed that up, you can play down, 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 and then you switch. So that's 7 times. Down, 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 down. Yeah, that's 7 times, and then you switch. So C, and then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, and then we have an F, which is barring the first fret and playing E major in front of that, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. You don't have to go like that. Na 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 na. Okay, so that's C to A minor, and then G to F. Alright, so let's go on with the song. This is your verse, your intro, and I think your chorus too. Let's just wait. We're on that prelude after I Don't Want to Fall in Love Again. Going into I'll Avoid the Conversation. Okay, so if you want to plot, you can play. For C, I'm playing 5, 4, 3, 2. Sorry, 5, 4, 3, and then for A minor, 5, 4, 3 again. G, 6, 4, 3, and then for F, 6, 4, 3. Okay. So from don't stay too long, I think you can change your strumming pattern to use. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. So wanna fall in love again. I don't wanna fall in love again. I don't wanna fall in love again. I don't wanna fall in love again. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.